an organism lives is known as its habitat. Number 2. The two main types of habitats are land habitats and aquatic or water habitats. Number 3. House is a building that is made for people to live in. Number 4. Let's recapitulate once more the progress of house century-wise. 20,000 BC, people lived in caves or in tents made of mammoth skins. 6,000 BC, people lived in houses made of mud brick. 2000 BC, people lived in two-storied houses. 1500 BC, people in Bronze Age lived in round huts. 400 BC, people lived in houses of brick and plaster with tiled roofs. 100 AD, people lived in villas, and so on. Number 5. All animals, including human beings, need a shelter that can protect them from changing weather conditions and other dangers. Number 6. There are different types of houses where we live in. Houses are mainly of two types: Pakka house or permanent house. To number 2, Kacha house or temporary house. Number 7. Permanent house can further be divided into different types like single-storied house, multi-storied building, palace, mansion, bungalow, etc. Point number 8. Permanent houses are made up of bricks, cement, iron rods, concrete, and steel. Today, I am going to discuss about temporary houses. So, let's start. What are temporary or kacha houses? The houses made of natural materials like wood, mud, straw, grass, bamboo, and thatch or sticks are neither strong nor long-lasting. These houses are called temporary or kacha house. What are the advantages of this type of houses? The only advantage of kacha house is that construction material, being natural, is cheap and easily available. Comparatively, little labor is required to build them. Where are kacha houses found? They are found in villages as they are cheap and easy to make. Why kacha houses are mostly made in villages? Kacha houses are mostly made in villages because cities are developed and we find all facilities and resources in city. Whereas in villages we have less amount of resources, facilities. Hut is an example of temporary house. Huts made of muds and water are cool inside in summer. Apart from kacha houses, there are some other varieties of temporary houses like caravans, tent houses, and houseboats. Now, let us discuss about different types of temporary house. Caravan. What is a caravan house? A caravan is a house on wheel. It is usually a big vehicle like a van. Why is it called a caravan? The word caravan came from the Persian word karwan, meaning group of desert travelers. A caravan can be a large group of people traveling together in one long line. It's also the term used for a camper that has a living area in it. A caravan, travel trailer, camper or camper trailer is towed behind a road vehicle to provide a place to sleep, which is more comfortable and protected than a tent. It provides the means for people to have their own home on a journey or a vacation without relying on a motel or hotel, and enables them to stay in places where nothing is available. Caravans vary from basic models, which may be little more than a tent on wheels, to those containing several rooms with all the furniture and furnishing and equipment of a home. Do you know what is special about caravan? A caravan is a vehicle without an engine that can be pulled by a car or van. It contains beds, shelves, water, and cooking equipment so that people can live or spend their holidays in it. Do you know in historic time what did caravans carry? In historical times, caravans traveled across East Asia and Europe. They often carried luxurious and lucrative goods such as silks or jewelry. They would trade these for salt, gold, copper. At first, donkey carts were used. What were caravans used for? A caravan is a group of people traveling together, often on a trade expedition. Caravans were used mainly in desert areas and throughout the Silk Road, where traveling in groups aided in defense against bandits as well as helping to improve economics of scale in trade. Gypsies and people who work in the circus usually live in these houses. Now, next is tent house. What is a tent house? A tent house is a shelter made of some sort of fabric or canvas. It is known among nomads as portable homes and is often used for camping as it provides a temporary shelter. Tents are also often used in emergencies such as war, earthquakes, and fire. Why do people use tents? Tents are usually used as shelter during camping, hiking, and other outdoor recreational activities. Tents are also used to provide temporary sleeping quarters for military personnel or for people who have been displaced by a disaster. A disaster can be anything: an earthquake and flood, Who uses a tent? Large tents are also used to provide temporary shelter for events such as outdoor weddings or circuses. Nomads and construction workers also use this type of house. Next, we are going to discuss about houseboat. What is a houseboat? A wooden house made on a boat is called a houseboat. It can move along a river or a lake. In India, houseboats are commonly found in Kashmir and Kerala. They may have many rooms with all facilities. In India, houseboats are used as accommodation for tourists, which are common on the backwaters of Kerala and on the Dal Lake near Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir. Kerala houseboats. Houseboats in Kerala, South India, are huge, slow-moving barges used for leisure trips. They are a reworked model of Kettu Vallams. In the Malayalam language, Kettu means tied with ropes and Vallam means boat, which in earlier times were used to carry rice and spices from Kuttanad to the Kochi port. Kerala houseboats were considered a convenient means of transportation. The popularity of Kettu Vallams has returned in the function as major tourist attractions. Such a houseboat is about 60 to 70 feet long and about 15 feet wide at the middle. The hull is made of wooden planks that are held together by ropes of coconut fiber. The roof is made of bamboo poles and palm leaves. The exterior of the boat is painted with protective coats of cashew nut oil. Now, let us know little bit about Kashmir houseboats. Unlike their counterparts in Kerala, the houseboats in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir are usually stationary. They are usually anchored at the edge of the Dal Lake and Nagin lakes. Some of the houseboats there were built in early 1900s and are still being rented out to tourists. These houseboats are made of wood and usually have intricately carved wood paneling. The houseboats are of different sizes, some having up to 3 bedrooms, apart from a living room and kitchen. Many tourists are attracted to Srinagar by the charm of staying on a houseboat, which provides the unique experience of living on the water in an elegant bedroom with all the convenience of a luxury hotel. Like hotels, houseboats vary in degree of luxury and have been accordingly graded by the Department of Tourism. A luxury houseboat is like a luxury hotel, has fine furniture, good carpets and modern bathroom fittings, while the degraded or the lowest category of houseboats like low budget hotels is sparingly furnished. Like hotels too, houseboats vary widely in their locations. Some overlook the main road, others look out onto lotus gardens, and other faces tiny local markets and villages. which are also floating